Hi friends, I am Shailaja from Bonsai Kapla's Creations. Yesterday we finished how to choose the wire and everything, and today is the second lesson. Then we will see how many gauge wires are there and how to select which gauge wire is used for the branch, thickness of the branch. Depending on the thickness of the branch, we will see clearly today. I'll demonstrate you now. कल हमने देखा था हाउ टू चूज द वायर, हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ वायर्स आर देयर एंड एवरीथिंग. अब आज हमको अभी मैं बताऊंगी कि आपको क्या क्या वायर्स हैं, कितना गेजेस का वायर्स हैं. I'll show you everything clearly, and depending on the thickness of the branch, how to choose the wire and everything. वो इसके ऊपर डिपेंड, थिकनेस के ऊपर डिपेंड होता है वायर चूज करने का, कैसा चूज करने का, कैसा करने का. आई विल शो यू एवरीथिंग नाउ क्लियरली हाउ टू वायर दिस वन and how to choose the now this thickness of this branch is maybe 2 millimeters. So for this 2 millimeters thickness, so which gauge wire we have to use, that which gauge is properly can be used. So we'll see them clearly today. Now there are two types of wires are there. One is aluminum wire and the second is copper wire. This is the copper wire. This is copper wire, and this is aluminum wire, and this is aluminum wire. Most of the ficus plants we are using aluminum wire. This is anodized aluminum wire. They heat the aluminum for some temperature, and this becomes soft. The aluminum becomes soft, and it can be bent freely whichever the way you want. So this is anodized aluminum wire. This copper wire is the annealed copper wire. Annealed copper means this copper wire is also heated for to certain temperatures, and after that the stiffness inside the copper becomes slowly, they allow it to cool for some time. Then the stiffness in the copper wire becomes little bit soft, and it can be the stress. What is there is stress inside the copper wire will become free, and you can move the wire as the way you want. So you can bend the wire depending on the branch structure. So this is the copper wire. This type of copper wires mostly we are using for coniferous plant, and because the coniferous plants we need some delicate changes, delicate wiring and demonstrative wiring is needed. For those demonstrative wiring and delicate wiring, so we mostly and they use the copper wire, and this color of the copper wire is also matches with the trunk line of the coniferous plant. For most of our tropical plants we are using aluminum wire. Aluminum is best wire for our ficus plants and any tropical plant. Now, and one more wire is there, that is this is anodized aluminum wire. You can see this is inside, it is white in color. So this is anodized aluminum wire and coated with the color. This type of wires also you can use as a aluminum wire. You can use this one for the bending the branches. Now we see the gauges of the wires. Now you see, this is 1 millimeter gauge wire. This is 1 millimeter gauge wire, and see how softly it is moving. These are the 1 millimeter aluminum wires, and this is 2 millimeter. This is 2 millimeter. you can see the difference between them. This is 1 millimeter gauge and this is 2 millimeter gauge, and this is 3 millimeter gauge. This is 3 millimeter gauge wire, and this is 4. This is 4. This is very hard. This is very hard. So this one we are using for bending the hard branches, that is drastic changes in the plant. When it is hard, when the wood is very hard, so on that for those plants we are using this heavy gauge wires. So this is 4 and this is 5. This is 5 millimeter gauge wire. So up to 1 to 6 millimeter gauge wires we are using for bending the branches and giving a shape to the plant. Now what is the difference between the aluminum wire and the copper wire? I have taken this, both of them are of same gauge. Both these wires are same gauge, and we can see the hardness of the copper wire and hardness of the aluminum wire. Aluminum wire is very soft, we can move freely, and this is little bit hard. This is, when compared to this aluminum wire, this is little bit hard. This is very little bit hard, and it is better to bend the branches of the coniferous plants and everything. Now you see this one, how hard it is, like this. So copper wire is always very hard to bend, and it is having lot of strength inside the wire. You can use any wire, copper wire as the aluminum wire, depending on your availability at your place. You can use copper wire and aluminum wire. Sometimes we don't have all the gauge wires, so we want to wire a branch. First we will see how to do that. This is the plant and this is the branch we are going to wire it. So how to select it? Usually we will take 1/3 thickness of the branch. If this branch is this much thick, then we will take 1/3 of that size, 1/3 of the size of the 1/3 of size of the diameter of the branch. This is the rule, like that. There is no sometimes the branch will be very hard to bend. This is soft. Sometimes it will be very hard. That time you can take half of this thickness also to bend that one. Now if you don't know the gauges of the wire, now the easy method to see which gauge wire you have to be you have to use that during the wiring. Now see here, now this is the wire. Now this wire is bending. Now see here, this is the branch and we are bending. The wire is bending here, it is bending. Wire is bending here. Now we are taking this wire. This gauge is more. Branch is bending, that wire is not bending. See here, branch is bending, wire is not bending. So for this one you can use this one. Sometimes you don't have this much thickness wire, that is 2 millimeter wire, gauge wire, 2 millimeter gauge wire. So what you can do, you can take 1 millimeter wires together and you can start wiring them. That is also gives strength to the branch to bend slowly. You can bend with these two wires. They can together, they can give strength to bend as you want. So like that, if you don't have same thickness, if you don't have more thick wire, the simple method is take thin wire and you can take double wiring. this is called as a double wiring. So you can take two wires and you can start bending the branch like this. You have to put together and bend the wire like this, bend the branch like that you have to do it. Now कभी कभी हमारे पास थिक वायर नहीं रहता है, तो क्या करने का, दो वायर्स लेने का, देन कीप देम टुगेदर एंड स्टार्ट वायरिंग देम, दोनों मिला के एक ही साथ वायरिंग करके ऊपर चले जाओ, देन यू कैन बेंड द ब्रांच इजीली. सो द ब्रांच गेट्स द सपोर्ट, द ब्रांच को सपोर्ट मिलेगा, देन आपको बेंड करने के लिए भी इजी रहेगा. दैट टाइप आल्सो यू कैन डू इट. नाउ sometime where we'll use the huge gauge wires, I'll show you. For this type of branches we can use thin wires like this one or this one. We can use thin wires of the lesser gauge wires. So these are very smooth branches, they can bend easily. So but this type of plants and very young gauge plants, we can use thinner gauge, lesser gauge wires. Then if the plant, the trunk line is very hard, so what you have to do? This is the, now you can see, this is the trunk line is very hard, it is not bending with the thin wire. That will you can't bend this one with the smaller gauge wire. So what we are doing, we have taken the thick wire like this, that heavy gauge wire, you have taken the heavy gauge wire of aluminum and we started wiring in a 45 degrees manner, and we have given a bend to the branch like this. We have given a bend to the branch like that. You can see here how nicely it is. So like that, for the thicker branches and very hard branches, we have to take heavy gauge wires like this, and we can bend the branch easily. And when bending, you have to put your hands below the branch and give a smooth bending. Slowly you have to bend the branch. Now here, these are the thinner branches. These are the thinner branches. This one, the small thinner wire is there here. So for thinner branches we are using lesser gauge wire, and thicker branches, now here also see, thin wire we are using because this is very thin branch. For the thin branch we are using small wire, lesser gauge wire. So like this you have to give a shape to the plant. First, selection of the wires is very important, depending how big is your plant. If it is young, take lesser gauge wires. If your plant is a very matured one and very thick, having the stiff trunk line like this, you have to take the heavy gauge wires. So with the wires we can do the wiring like this. This is the one method of giving a shape to the plant. So I think friends, now we are clear with the gauges of the wires and how much thickness of the wire to be used for, how much which gauge to be used for the thickness, depending on the thickness of the branch. Now you know clearly. So if the branch is very hard, use heavy gauge wire. If the branch is very soft like this, use lesser gauge wires. So if it is not bending, take two wires together. If you don't have thicker gauge wire, take two wires together and start wiring and give a shape to the plant. Now see here, like this. Like this you have to use the wires. When you are buying, you have to keep these points in your mind. When you are buying the wires, keep all these points in your mind and you can buy wire. Now the next lesson I will show you how to wire a plant. Thank you friends, thank you very much. I hope you like this video, and will be ready with another video for how to wire a plant and how to give a shape to the plant. Thank you very much.